Updating your billing information on Dropbox Replay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Dropbox Replay website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing or payment information. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Dropbox Replay. Regularly checking your account settings can help avoid any interruptions in service.